So, Shivam, this question is unfortunately applicable to most of the MSMEs. And as a result of that, these MSMEs suffer very badly. Unfortunately or incidentally, many of the MSME owners have this myth or misunderstanding in their mind that for running their operations, they should take as much working capital as possible. And what they forget, and that is when they borrow, they also have to pay interest. And when they pay interest, it hits their it hits their profit and loss statement. It hits their profits. And therefore, it is necessary that the MSME owners or every business owner for that matter should absolutely correctly evaluate and assess his working capital requirement. And the focus of the owners and the management of the businesses must be as to how can I minimize my working capital. Lesser the working capital that I am able to operate my operations with, lesser is going to be the amount of loan that I will need to borrow from a bank. And lesser the loan that I borrow from a bank, lower is going to be the amount of interest that I would pay. As a result of that, my profitability is going to improve. And this is how the businesses should do as far as the working capital management is concerned. Your focus should not be on maximizing the borrowing from the banks for working capital. Your focus should be how to minimize the borrowing from the banks for the working capital, and how to use the and how to run the operations with least possible working capital. So this is the answer to the question that this person has asked, Shivam. You can ask one more question.
Thank you, sir.